And here we have at MUCK+FUN and SmileysCOot, SXT 3600 watt scooter, top speed 83 kilometers per hour, 1 or 2 wheel drive. You do plenty of other versions of it as well. Amazing machine, proper pro link suspension for doing jumps off pads, curbs, no problem to it. So as I said, I have one of these myself and it's 83 kilometers an hour. So you 6 speed settings also, so you don't have to go crazy. So here you go, you have your different modes. So you have 3 settings in 1 wheel drive mode, and then there's a button here you press, she goes to 2 speed. So you've 1 or 2 wheel drive, and that's when you can get up to the 83 kilometers an hour. But as I said, you can leave it in slow cruising mode speeds, so it's a lot safer. Safety gear a must if you're going to be on at over 80 kilometers an hour. Lithium batteries, range of 50 kilometers. I rarely have to charge my one, it's great. Full range on muckandfun.com and SmileysCOot on Facebook. An SXT 3600 watt scooter at MUCK+FUN. We do a 1600 watt smaller version for €1550. So this is top of the range, €2,375 scooter. I suppose some electric bikes these days, 4, 5, 8,000 we've heard. So relatively speaking, it's good value. But the fun is incredible. I have motocross bikes and quads and everything, but I actually prefer this scooter. It's probably the best I've got in years. So there you go. Available at MUCK+FUN. Home delivery all Ireland. Scooter fold. Simple pull of a lever. And then under the deck here is where your lithium battery and your controllers and speed controllers and stuff is. You got your side stand, hydraulic disc brakes. Beautiful machine. So, on the background there, that's an Evo 71cc 2-speed petrol scooter. Also a bit of fun. So, it's from MUCK+FUN in Wiklow, the biggest off-road shop in Ireland. Those 2 places there. So if you need any info or help, just let us know. Can't recommend them more highly for fun. Like to, and as I said, the scooter folds, stick it in the boot of your car. There you go, SXT 3600 watt scooter at MUCK+FUN and SmileysCOot.